एक video viral झाला असतो आणि I also received a viral video and I received a lot of phone calls and it was shocking when I saw the video sent to me. It was shocking to see on the video to see what is happening. This video happens to be of the sitting MLA, which is a serious offence, shameful, disgraceful, and a shame for the people of the constituency and his supporters and overall for the state of Goa. So I want the Home Department, I request Home Department, the Honorable Chief Minister, to look into the matter, to take this to logical end and get the truth in this. And I can final purchase and both the culprit. Today, the video which is made viral speaks volumes. I don't get into detail of it since the matter is into investigation. And my demand is that this sitting MLA should resign on moral ground because it's shameful, disgraceful, and it's unbelievable.
So what video it is?
It's a video where you just have a look at the video. It's viral all over. I don't want to experience. It's for me. I feel ashamed even to experience it. I'm experience, but the video is all over. It's viral all over, and this is caught in the act of whatever the sextortion that is going on last 3 days, and it's very viral. So and imagine a person is a lawmaker or MLAs, is a district MLAs. Tomorrow, what आगे म्हणू शकता? आमच्या Home Department ट्रॅप आमच्या त्याच्यावर कारवाई करची. फला if it's not true, MLAs can be in trouble. If it's otherwise, any citizen can be in trouble. So the department should come seriously, the Home Department, and make sure and find out the truth. The whole thing goes logical and action should be taken.
You have not mentioned any MLA or
I don't have to mention any MLA because it's viral all over. I mean, mention everything is the video. It speaks. The person is very clear. Everything very clear. They know from which place it belongs to, which constituency it belongs to. So what I'm trying to say is a disgraceful, shameful act, and this man should resign on moral grounds immediately.